just reached the border into PA. So now I'm playing catch up, going from central Jersey, like literally the center of New Jersey, in all directions, into PA right now. And I got about a third of a gas tank left, and I left with about a little bit less than half. And it's probably only been 10 miles. So I'm gonna have to pick up gas somewhere.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare, cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
Do the rain dance, make this go away. Make the rain go away. Oh, fuck.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. We're searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
It's a 4-cylinder twin cam.
Yeah, it's huge.
No, wait, because it's actually. Oh no, wait, the intake's on this side. No, because if it was the newer, if it was the older 4G, the front of the motor, the exhaust is on this side, KFs are on this side. So this is the older 4G. There's a fridge. There's a fridge in the stove.
You know, they have this in Cali.
Yo, Jay. The top is it pops up and turns into a tent.
Yo,
it's like older dude. Look inside.
Be like Tito.
Yeah, right. Yo.
Let's go, bro. Need to go to the John?
Huh?
Need to go to the John?
Let John.
Yeah, right?
No, you need to go to the John.
Oh shit.
Just collects right there, right?
Yeah, this thing is.
Oh, see the top.
Oh, the top. Yeah, the top does pop out.
Yeah, it pops up.
How?
Pops up and
The
then
whole
bed
thing?
slides out, yeah. And then another bed here.
So does this come out as a floor? So you
Yeah.
can lay it out on top?
No, it's a bed. You slide this out as a bed. The top
yeah, it
pops
goes up
You
and
see-
there's a bed up there.
You see the top?
Yeah, yeah.
The top pops up. There's a hinge there. It pops up a window. Wow.
That is sick.
That's pretty.
Wow. Oh, money. You brought they come with money.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the.
Wait, it's electric? Oh, the way it moved, it looked like it was electric. Get the fuck out of here.
It's electric. He's so light that he moves so slow. God.
There's no steering wheel in there.
Imagine that there was. You can do it. You can do it, bro. Yo. I'm gonna give myself back pain getting this shit. Oh, he's got.
Nose first?
Oh, he did it. Yes.
You're hitting the steering stop.
Yo, the problem is how the fuck am I gonna get out? Okay, now put the wheel on. Yo, just drive into Steve's house.
Yo, your legs are hitting.
And he'll follow you with the freaking type of Yo. Bro, I have no clear. I hit a bump, I'm dead. Yo, it's straight head concussion. That's what it is.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm done with yesterday.
We just left Pit and Paddock, and me and Jay did a pull, and I fucking went behind him and noticed he wasn't running his plates. So, alright, good. Now he has plates back on it because he put his show plates on, and that would have been bad. Yo, I went, and then when you were next to me, I was like, whoa, wait a second. Yo, you don't got plates on. I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm done with yesterday. And there you guys have it. It's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Remember to please like, share, and subscribe. Till next time, guys. Peace.
So I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my styling. Where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around.